Hi everyone, so I'm here today to bring my Project Panoply update for the month of October. I'm recording this quite a bit early, just about a week early, and so I'm just like, what month am I in? But here we are, it's October in the future, Jamie. And I have an update for you in terms of how I did the last month. I pulled in 5 fresh prompts last month. I was not able to finish one of them, that one being my cleansing oil. I was really hoping to finish. I did not show you guys where I started last time, or did I? I think I actually did. I started at the top of the letters there, and then now I'm about almost done, you know? But when you tilt it, I'm like, oh, there's still so much. So this might last me, I think, close to the next update. I've also been using it slower than I do. Like, I actually use it less on my face and more on my hands to wash off swatches and other things like that. So, I don't know. But either way, it's getting used as much as, like, it's really nice formula. But I just haven't really been, like, I don't know. I'll need to figure it out. But either way, I need to keep moving on that. Next one was the color yellow. The prompt was yellow, and I pulled in my MAC face powder to use 10 times, and I did, and I've actually continued to use it. I pulled it in to another project as well. But here's my progress right now. I don't think this little side ring was showing last time, so it's nice just to be able to visually see progress, especially when rings like that kind of show up. So everything's pretty thin next to the ring everywhere else, so I'm going to keep working at that. But in terms of the project, it's out. The next prompt I got was white, and I got my toner. Oh, which I don't have the bottle. Do I have the bottle here? I might have gone ahead and recycled it. That might have actually gone with an empties already. What I did was that I actually combined this with my next prompt, which was challenged, which was Franken something. And I ended up Frankening a toner. I don't know. I popped it in here with the toner that I had in here. Not the best choice because it's actually a little sticky, like the micellar water was a little sticky, so now I just basically use this just to cleanse my face rather than as like a setting spray like I was hoping that this toner, the original toner that was in here would act as. So there's that. But in terms of Franken, I did this. I also did Franken something else. I think I Franken like a little sample blush. And then I think I also Franken this color in the meantime as well, this lip gloss color. So I did a few Frankens in the meantime. So I think I met that goal. I did like pull out my little graveyard eyeshadow pot, and I did not end up Frankening that. I think I'm a little afraid of it, to be honest. So we'll work on that one day. Next and last prompt that I had, because I talked about my 4th prompt was challenge. My 5th one was lips and Franken lipstick. That one was this one here. It's a pretty, I guess it's pretty fall tone too, but it's like a very warm toned lipstick. It's one that's custom. I made it myself. You can see there's a little pattern on it. But yeah, I feel like I got it down quite a bit. I don't know exactly what I measured it to or how exactly but I've been using it, and I used it the 15 times that I rolled it in for. So I would say I'm making decent progress on it. Should keep working on it, but I'm working on other stuff. All right, so let me go ahead and share my screen and get it rolling in for 4 products. And sorry, I did not introduce my own project. This is Project Monopoly. This is based off the Monopoly game board. I created it over a year ago, last summer, and yeah, it's been awesome just to kind of be able to introduce it to everybody, and have been seeing good progress. I'm now on the 3rd edition. I kind of roll out a new edition every 6 months, and this time it is the color version. So let's go ahead and pop over, and I'll kind of show you how it works. Okay, so here we are. So it's the color edition. I include all of my info here and a little bit of kind of an intro if this is the first time you're seeing it. But basically I have dice that you can roll. I also have, this is the game board. And basically there's also a challenge wheel. So if you get the challenge spot here to do that, and then a random use wheel, which is always really fun because I love to push everything onto, I'm just indecisive. So push all the obligations to this site to kind of pick everything for me between prompt and usage and everything like that. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to first write down that I am continuing the cleansing oil. Finish, almost there. And then last time I ended on lips, so let's see where that is, and then we'll kind of go from there. So lips is here, and so let's roll the dice. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, the bath. I mean, I don't have those in front of me, but let's see. My bath is pretty simple. I have bar soap. Oh, I do have that. I have this huge container of powder cleanser. Let's do that. I can only use that about like twice to 3 times a week. And let's see. Oh, I also have a shampoo that's nearly done. And but I feel like the cleansing powder is going to be probably most exciting to show. So let me go ahead and spin the wheel for that. Roll the dice. Okay, just to let you know, like when I generated this Google spinner, it doesn't actually have like, I think on the back end it randomizes something, but I think what it's showing you is like not accurate. So I've been kind of fighting with Google AI to make it work, but I'm like, it shows the result, so we'll go with it. Okay, so let's roll the dice 6 times. Okay, I will use my powder cleanser 6 times. This one is a bath powder cleanser times 6. Okay, so that should be like a few weeks worth of use. Okay, so let's roll the dice again. 5, starting from bath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, red. Okay. I guess my cleansing oil is red. I mean, this one that I just showed you is red. Oh, actually, they're from the same collection if you haven't noticed yet. From like this Dragon Valentine's Day collection. Like it was like, the packaging was like too genius not to not to pass up or to pass up for me, but I don't purchase from MAC anymore, but MAC does have some very creative packaging. What else is red? I mean, I have a red brush, which I haven't really been using. I don't have any lip liners that are red. Nothing in here is really red either. Anything else packaging wise? More red toned. Okay, let's take a peek at my auxiliary palette here. I wouldn't say anything screams out to me as red. Ooh, this one. This is a nose strip, but that would only be one use. I don't think I have much more of that. Although I think I have some more in my bathroom. So I don't know, I'm kind of tempted by that one actually. That would be kind of fun. And just take a look at my little additional auxiliary one. I think the nose strip would be actually kind of fun. Let's do that one. Sorry, I'm like so low on the camera right now. But yeah, nothing else is really standing out to me. So I think let's just shake it up and let's do something kind of fun. So how many nose strips do I need to do? I mean, I think I have a few more back in my bathroom. So let's just use the random use wheel. And if it makes sense, it makes sense. If not, I'll just kind of our 10 uses. I don't think I have 10 nose strips. I'm just going to shift it up to 5. I think I have at least 5. Wow, that's a lot of pore strips. Does my nose really need that? I don't think so. I'm not that aggressive with my nose. So let's go ahead and actually bump it down to 3. But I mean, I do need to use it. So we'll see how many I can use between now and then. I think I'm going to aim for 3. 5 would be not a bad goal either. But I don't know if I'll have any proof of it by the end of it. I'll try to save the little wrappers. But I mean, I don't know if I'll really be able to do that. So we'll see. So I'll aim for 5 and we'll see kind of what happens. But either way, I think I'll just be rolling it out next time. But I think this is kind of a cool way to kind of change things up here. Okay. Next one here is my 4th prompt. Oh, sorry, I don't even know if I rolled it. I'll have to look back at the footage. But it came with the same number. So I was like, oh, did I roll it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, purple. Purple is a good one. Now that I've like hidden all of my little packaging with purple washi tape, I'm like, can that count as purple? But not really. Okay, I think I have one in mind. Let's see if it is the one I'm thinking of. Yeah, that's purplish. So I have this palette that was given to me from my friend Steph, from Still Steph. It's a Monet inspired palette. And in here, the colors I will say are not as exciting as I thought they would be. But there are some more purple hued tones in here. And as pretty as they look in here, they don't really amount to much, unfortunately. So yes, I will, I mean, it swatches out decent, but yeah, it's like, I think once I really buff it out and everything like that, it's not super duper exciting, but I will try giving this a use. So let me go ahead and put this out here, and let's roll the random use wheel. 15 uses. Hello. Okay. Monet purple. Okay, I guess I gave myself a hard one, but you know what? I like dipping into that palette, so let's do it. Okay, last prompt here. 7. And that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Most used product. Mascara is always a good one. Ooh, that eye cream is good. I'm thinking like skincare and stuff now, but maybe I could do lip gloss, I guess, is up here, but I think I'm finishing this for another project, so let's not touch that one. Oh, my alcohol spray. This one gets a lot of use, but I mean, it's just alcohol spray, so I'm not gonna pull that in. Primer, primer I do use a lot. Setting spray I use a lot. The serum is already another product. Let's do the eye cream. I'm gonna try to use this up soon, I think. It's like not easy to get out for some reason. Or should I do my sunscreen? I'm kind of between these two. Do both. I mean, doesn't hurt to do both of these. So this is a sample of an eye cream that I got. I think it's actually from Hourglass. It's like their eye balm, and so I am looking to finish this soon because I have other eye creams that I need to move into. But yeah, let's go ahead and pull in this. Let's go ahead and pull in the sunscreen too. I'm starting to like avoid it already, just with the fall season and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and spin the wheel for both of them. Most used, because I need to use it more. Not that it was the most used during the summer, but now that it's not, it's like, okay, sorry, like my brain just blanked. Wow. Sunscreen plus eye cream. Okay, so let's see, that one is roll the dice, telling me to do it 9 times. Okay, so I'll use both 9 times. I think eye cream will actually be finished before the sunscreen, but that's besides the point. Okay, so let me stop sharing and I'll show you a summary of what is being pulled in here. Oops, sorry, my computer starts to talk at me whenever I'm done screen recording. Okay, so we have Monet palette. We have the pore strips. I think that'll be interesting. And then we're also going to work on the cleansing oil to finish from last time. We also have the powder cleanser that's in my bath, and the sunscreen and the eye cream. So lots of skincare. Only 1 makeup item? Wow. That sorry, my eye cream is being difficult to pull out. Okay, I'm not gonna bother with it right now. But yeah, lots of skincare this time. But that's also kind of fun, just to shake things up a little bit. I think my other deck of panning is more makeup heavy right now, so that's cool. But also pulling in something that's kind of different, so I think that's cool too. And I love using my project pans to kind of incorporate things that are a little bit different from day to day. And yeah, I think I accomplished that this time around. So thank you so much for watching this update of Project Monopoly. If you are interested in participating or just want to check out the site, go ahead and click it down below. The site doesn't record anything, so you can go ahead and just like click around and kind of do like even a practice run through and see what you get. But if you want to play, go ahead and kind of read through all the different things that I have. People used to say doobly-doo, like for some reason that phrase is coming to mind, but yeah, go ahead and read through the doobly-doos and just see if it's something you want to engage in now or later. I also do host this on Reddit as well, so you can join me over there if that's more your jam. I've been trying to post on Instagram, not as often, but like you could always tag me there, and then of course here on YouTube. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.